AirMill air conditioning, what we do, we've got 5-ton package units on landscaping trailers that provide air conditioning and therefore dehumidify the air inside of your job site and construction site so that you can protect valuable materials like flooring, trim, cabinetry while they are being installed, and you don't need to run the central air conditioning system and put extra wear and tear on that system. We've got our electric supply. We ask that your site electrician gives us a power line and a breaker on the temporary power pole or wherever the power supply is. And then we've got a standard HVAC disconnect mounted on the side of all of our units. We have our cold, dry air supply coming out of our unit, ducting up to the second floor so that the cold air can go in up high in the house, fall down the staircase, and then come back through our filter box, return back to the machine. All of our units are 5-ton systems. All of our setups are pretty similar. Sometimes we use doorways, sometimes we go up elevator shafts, but that's how we keep our pricing simple. We always run 5-ton machines. They can cool up to about a 6,000 square foot project. If we need to put multiple units on a machine, there's a price discount there. For our window fittings, we use Zip Systems plywood, so we have a waterproof membrane on the exterior of the house. This is a casement window. What we've done is we've released the control arms from the casement window, popped the piece of glass out, and fitted the entire opening with Zip Systems. All right, the AirMill filter box system. We have a 5-sided cube here with 1-inch filters on it, and then an additional 4-inch filter in the back. We come by as part of our service. We come by once a week and we change these filters to make sure that they're getting changed, make sure that our machine is protected, and that's included in our monthly rental price. The system is controlled by a standard Honeywell thermostat, very easy to make changes on, depending on what temperature and dehumidifying, how much dehumidifying you want going on inside the house. The Zip Systems plywood that we use is held in place with this bracket system so that we're not screwing anything into your trim or into your structure. We just sandwich our Zip Systems in place so that we're not creating any more damage or extra work for you once the system gets removed. We also have a little bit of flashing foam tape. It's just it's expanding tape with no stickiness on it to seal our Zip Systems in if we get sideways rain or weather event. We don't want any water intrusion into the structure. This is a typical air supply setup, same Zip Systems plywood, flashing foam tape, sandwich system, so we're not doing any damage. Not much to see, just a 14-inch air supply coming in, similar to the setup of the filter box downstairs, just with the cool air coming into the second floor of the house.